Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of our MongoDB tutorial series. If you are new to MongoDB or databases in general, you are in the right place. Today, we're gonna introduce you to MongoDB and walk you through setting up your development environment using Visual Studio Code. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start working with MongoDB in your own projects. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, which means it stores data in a different way compared to traditional databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. And instead of tables and rows, MongoDB uses collections and documents. These documents are stored in a JSON-like format, making MongoDB highly flexible, especially when you are working with unstructured data. MongoDB is particularly popular in modern web development due to its scalability and ease of use. It allows for horizontal scaling, which means you can easily distribute your data across multiple servers, which is great for handling large amounts of data. Now that you have a basic understanding of MongoDB, let's set it up on your system. Head over to MongoDB website and download the community server version that's suitable for your operating system. For example, I am using Linux operating system and I'm going to select the Debian version because Debian is my operating system architecture. If you are using Windows, you can scroll down and looking into the Windows 64 architecture and you can select this and it will pop up the package manager automatically when you are selecting the Windows version. Even if you are using Mac operating system, you can also select the platform you are currently using on your computer. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it by following the prompts or the instructions of the installations. If you're on Windows, MongoDB should start automatically after installation. If you are on Mac or Linux, you need to start it manually by running MongoDB. After installation, MongoDB will be running in the background, ready to store and manage your data. You won't interact directly with MongoDB just yet, but it is important to have it up and running. Next, let's set up Visual Studio Code or VS Code, which is an excellent tool for MongoDB development. If you haven't installed yet, you can download it from the official website and you can install by following the installation instructions. But I am already installed the Visual Studio Code on my computer, so I'm not going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code. I'm directly go to how to configure the MongoDB once you are installed on your computer. Okay, once installed, open VS Code, look like this, and click on the extensions icon on the left side, the Visual Studio Code, and write MongoDB. Then, as you can see, the extensions are listed out below in the extension when you are typing MongoDB, and you can look at the MongoDB for VS Code, which is in the verified. So you have to check that that is verified. Unless and otherwise, don't install the extensions if they are not verified. So when you click on this item, and you can see that you can install the MongoDB for VS Code and connect to MongoDB and Atlas directly from your VS Code. Click on it and install and waiting for until it is successfully installing. This extension allows you to connect to your MongoDB instances, explore your databases, and run queries directly from VS Code. All right, once successfully installed, you can see that you can connect the MongoDB by clicking on connect. And here you are going to insert the server name and the database server name, username, password. So you have to enter your connection string. In this case, paste MongoDB server. Yeah, if you are installing in the local server, you can see the local host is the host name and 27017 is the port of the database. And you can put MongoDB colon in the beginning of this URL. So now you can click on save and connect. Once the MongoDB server is running in the background, it is successfully connected, and you can now everything is ready to start, create a playground or create a MongoDB documents. So now that our development environment is ready, let's create your first MongoDB database. As that's it. So now MongoDB is ready for creating a MongoDB documents. So you have learned what MongoDB is, how to set it up, and how to get started with Visual Studio Code. In the next video, we will get hands-on with MongoDB and start performing the CRUD operations, create, read, update, and delete. So make sure you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.